Welcome to Brisk. We are so excited for you to get started. Brisk is a browser extension and web platform that brings AI into the tools you already use. With Brisk, you can create lessons, instructional materials, give feedback, and support every student. Everything saves to your Google Drive or OneDrive, fully editable. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can get started. From the Brisk Teaching homepage, you can click Get Started. Once you do, you will be prompted to create an account. You can create an account with Brisk using either Google, Microsoft, or a separate email. I'm going to go ahead and check this box, and then I'm going to select Continue with Google. If you select Sign in with Microsoft, the steps will be the same. From here, I'm going to select my account, and of course, we'll want to enable permissions. This is standard for any time we add an extension to our browser. I'll click Allow. I now have an account with Brisk, and on my screen, you can see the web version. What I'm going to do next, though, is pin the extension that I installed from Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the puzzle piece and click on it. When I come on down, I'll see the pin icon, and I'm also going to click on that. Brisk is now pinned right at the top of my browser, and once I click on it, you'll see that I can now access the Brisk extension. Remember, you can use the Brisk extension with so many other resources. Let me give you a quick overview. You can open the Brisk extension right over top of any YouTube video, web article, doc, and slides. Additionally, you can always use the paperclip icon if you're looking to upload a certain resource as well. So there are so many ways that you can leverage both the extension and Brisk on the web. You are now ready to get started with Brisk.